Anytime bites a little slow. Might get some perch in there, but I was killing it for 2 weeks.
Oh yeah?
And then last night, I got some, but they slowed down. I was catching like 20 and 30 a night. Crappie, perch.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of shit down there. The beaver put it in there.
Oh, when? Recently?
Oh, they've been doing it.
What the heck? Oh, I think I got stuck. Ah. That sucks. Yep. Well, oh, now I got it back. All right. Well, that's why I'm just going right across the top of that. I want them. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, well,
Pulled my hook out.
Stuff in there.
Yeah. All right. I think this is gonna produce. Come on. Come on. Where do you want? Let's go. There's one. A little bass, maybe. Perch. Yeah. On the Witcher. Okay. This is probably another perch. It's fighting like a perch, not a crappie. Oh, he's pulling. It's good size. Yeah, decent size.
Big perch.
Decent size one.
Nice.
Yeah. See if I can get him up here. Oh yeah, he's got some weight to him. It's a pretty fish. Well, there's no ice, right? Did any ice come on the lake today or this year?
Yeah.
A little bit earlier?
Yeah, it was about a week ago, maybe. This whole side, I was here at 5 o'clock. I went and got coffee, came back. This whole side was
Wow.
skinned.
Oh,
the
wow.
entire side,
Wow.
I mean, that fast.
That's
It was
cool.
windy, really. Wind chills were, the 20s.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
It froze so quick, I couldn't believe it.
Huh. There's a fish. Another perch. Where's he going? On the side?
Something. That's his home right there.
Yeah. That's a pretty one. Look at that one. That'd be good bait, man. Look at that.
They were coming up and hitting the bobber, really aggressive. But they were like 8 to 12-inch fish, all of them. They weren't small.
I got some good ones doing it this way. There's some. That's another decent perch, I think. They're all running to the tube. That might be a crappie.
That's
Yep.
a crappie. There you go.
Turn it on now, maybe.
They might be.
It's a skinny one though. It's kind of long. He wasn't fighting with it like one. He felt heavier, but. And they look, when you pull them out and it's cold, they're like purple. There's one. There's another. That's a perch, man. I don't usually catch perch in here on these.
Yeah, well,
They must be all in here. Like a ton of perch in here.
Well, we catch perch every winter.
Yeah.
They're always
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
I think it might be him. I can't really see.
That's a crappie, I think. Nope. Another good size perch.
Nice perch.
Yeah, decent one.
Damn.
That's a fat one.
That's eating size.
Yeah, it's a fat one. I don't know if I'm gonna get him off here. Let's see. Oh yeah, come on. Oh, there's a little tube right there. Good day for fishing. All right. They're right here. They're right on the edge right here. There's another one.
Another nice one.
Yeah, they're right there, sitting right on that edge. Whoa. This is the biggest one actually today. This one's fat.
Chunky, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Rich showed up the
There's
other
one.
day. He had treble hooks.
Oh, that's a good one. Look at that one.
Man,
This one's good, man. This is the biggest one. If I can get him in. Look at him.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh, yeah. Look at a pound. Maybe not quite. 3/4. 3/4 of a pound. Oh, this one's heavy. This is the best perch I caught in here.
He's killing the perch. Yeah. Look at the one he just caught. He caught a bunch like that.
This is heavy. It's like probably a pound, actually.
Yeah, we've been catching a lot of the smaller ones. Rich got the biggest one last week. It's just that shade under.
Same amount. Oh, there's one.
Ooh,
That's a good one.
another
Yeah, they're all hitting right over this, right by this thing. This is another decent one. It's like right under this tube right here, right under the thing. Not as big as the last one, but.
Yeah, the shiners, you don't really see them in the winter too much.
Yeah.
They school up.
Here's one. This one's smaller, I think. Yep. Still pretty hefty. Yeah. That's another one. Oh, he can't. He got stuck around that. I got him out. Is it a crappie?
Sunny.
Yeah, look at that. That's a good cast. That's gonna get something good. It's deep in there. I love this rod for this though. This is like a just a St. Croix like light action. It's nice. It's nice for throwing at little jigs like that. That's another sunny, I think. Yep. Now the sunnies are turning on. And next will be the crappies. All right. Hopefully. Oh. The Witcher.